In this video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your money with Notion. This tutorial will guide you through creating a simple and organized personal finance system where you can track income, expenses, savings, and budgets, all within Notion. One of the biggest advantages of using Notion for money management is that it allows you to customize your finances and see everything in one place, making it easier to stay on top of your financial goals. To get started, log into your Notion account and go to your homepage. From there, click Marketplace. In the search bar, type Budget, Finance Tracker, or Money Management, and you'll see a variety of templates designed to help you get started quickly. Depending on your needs, you might find templates for personal budgeting, expense tracking, savings plans, or investment tracking. Take a moment to browse the options and choose the template that best fits your financial goals. Once you find a template that works for you, click the preview image to take a closer look. Reviewing the preview image allows you to see the layout, the included sections, and how income, expenses, and savings are tracked. This step is important because it ensures the template covers all the areas you want to monitor, such as bills, subscriptions, or debt payments. After confirming that the template meets your needs, click Add. You can add it to your personal workspace to start managing your finances immediately. After the template has been added, click on it to open it in Notion. You can now customize the system by adding your own categories, setting budgets, and entering your income and expenses. You can also include recurring payments, savings goals, or investment tracking to fit your personal financial plan. The key benefit of using a template is that it provides a ready-made structure, so you can focus on managing your money instead of building the system from scratch. And that's it. You've successfully built a money management system in Notion using a template, making it easy to track your finances, plan your budget, and stay on top of your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.